శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Paramatma came down as Dhanvantari. Those who are suffering from dreadful diseases, to them Paramatma is curing all their diseases. And how he is curing, Narada? Those who are suffering from diseases, if they just take Dhanvantari name itself, if they just chant Dhanvantari Namam, that's all it is. Paramatma curing all their diseases. That is how Paramatma came down as Dhanvantari. And as a Dhanvantari, Paramatma introduced Ayurveda medicine. Ayushya Vedam Anusasti Avatirya Loke. So he introduced Ayurveda medicine. And sometime back, Daityas, Danavas, they removed Dhanvantari's share of Yajna. So Dhanvantari does not have share in the Yajnas. Now Paramatma, he gained all his share from the Yajnas back. As a Dhanvantari, he did that. So this is how Chaturmukha Brahma describing Dhanvantari avataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.